Hi, welcome to the Olympiad geometry. Let's continue our study. Before we start, if you think this video is helpful, please click the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Here is a problem of the day 16. The problem is that we want to prove that in triangle ABC, AB equals to AC if and only if the lengths of angle bisector of angle B and angle C are equal. This is a problem from Tianjin math competition in 1957. So, if AB equals to AC, right, then we know that BD and CE are the angle bisector of angle B and angle C. So, these four angles are equal. And BC is a common set, which means the triangle BDC is congruent to triangle CEB. Right? And then we know that BD equals to CE. Okay, so the question would be if angle bisector of angle B and angle bisector of angle C are equal, can we prove that AB equals to AC? So this is BD and this is CE. We can set AC as B, right? AB, the length would be C, and the length of BC, that is A. So we can set this as alpha here, and this one as beta. And as you can see in this figure, I draw it on purpose that angle alpha is less than angle beta, right? Which means AB is larger than AC. That's our assumption. We would assume they are not equal, and we can see there would be an confliction, which means that this assumption is invalid, which means AB equals to AC, right? That's the idea. So when we have alpha less than beta, right? That means 2 alpha less than 2 beta, which means the angle BEC equals to 180 degree minus 2 alpha minus beta, and angle BDC equals to 180 degree minus 2 beta minus alpha, right? That means angle BDC is less than angle BEC, right? And based on the sine law, we can calculate for length BC from both triangle BEC and triangle BDC. So for triangle BEC case, we know that BC equals to sine angle BEC 2 sine 2 alpha times EC, right? And BC also equals to, in the triangle BDC, we can write it as a sine angle BDC 2 sine 2 beta times BD, right? And look at here, we already know that sine angle BEC would be larger than sine angle BDC. And we also know that sine 2 alpha would be less than sine 2 beta, right? This means that sine angle BEC 2 sine 2 alpha would be larger than sine angle BDC 2 sine 2 beta, right? Which we also know that EC equals to BD. That means BC is larger than BC. And that's impossible, which means the assumption is incorrect. Here is incorrect, right? So AB equals to AC. Okay, this is a problem that's very classic for using the concept of confliction, right? We use this many times, and I hope you like this video. See you in next one. Thank you.